Hey guys, welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you. It is Frodo Baggins from Sideshow Weta. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Let's get right into it, right out of the box here. So, in this, and I'll show you the art box real quick here. Another oldie and goldie statue. Very, very cool art box. And let's open her up here. And this is from Fellowship of the Ring, this particular statue, as you saw in the box there. Here we go. Perfect. Got her open. Let's move this to this side. And as usual, you can see there has a map on there. And this is sculpted by Ben Hawker. And you can see there, Frodo Baggins. There is no number on these. And then, carefully, perfect. That's show the overview here. He's wearing his elven cloak, where he gets from. Nope, this is the cloak when he just leaves the Shire, when he leaves with Sam on his journey. And then of course he has Sting on his hip there, and he's holding in his hand the ring, the One Ring, which is Sauron's ring, which he's gonna go destroy. And yeah, let's show you some close-up shots here. I think this is a very, very cool piece. And yeah, let's show you some close-up shots now. I'll bring her up close here. You can see there, he's clutching the Ring of Power, the One Ring. And the clothes on him are just phenomenal, or good. And then you can see here, Sting. And with the scabbard there. And of course you can see his hairy feet. And I love the flowiness of with his cape, of his cloak. Pretty cool. You can see the somewhat curly hair that he has. And I think the hobbits are really underrated in statues, because we really need some more hobbits. I think, in my opinion, because they are really the heroes of the whole story, I think, in my opinion. Likeness is not really all there though on this one, but it's okay. You can see the pointed ears somewhat on Frodo. And then you can see the sting there. Fairly good detail on the handle and on the scabbard there. And of course, again, his hairy feet, because hobbits don't wear any shoes. Overall, I think this is a good statue. Pretty cool statue. See the clothes there. Pretty cool. And that's Frodo Baggins of the Shire. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of Frodo Baggins from Sideshow Weta. I think it's a pretty cool piece. So comment down below what you guys thought of this statue. And like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I think this is a really cool piece. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And stay tuned. I got lots more statues and stuff coming up.